Welcome to the news of the day. According to the Ministry of Hajj and Umrah, Saudi Arabia, women can now register for the annual Hajj pilgrimage without a male guardian. Note it down, Saudi Arabia capital is Riyadh and its currency is Saudi Riyal. Maharashtra will be the first state in the country to issue educational documents using blockchain technology. Note it down, Maharashtra governor is Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Its capital is Mumbai and its CM is Uddhav Thackeray. Balika Panchayat successfully held at Kunaria village in Gujarat. This panchayat will be run by the girls and for the girls. Note it down, Gujarat CM is Vijay Rupani and its governor is Acharya Dev Virat. Bank of Maharashtra has signed a memorandum of understanding with National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development NABARD to boost ongoing development initiatives linked to priority sector lending in Maharashtra. Note it down, Bank of Maharashtra headquarters is in Pune. Its CEO is A.S. Rajiv. It was founded on 16 September 1935. NABARD founded on 12th July 1982. Its headquarters is in Mumbai. The Government of India notified a hike in the foreign direct investment limit in pension fund management to 74% from 49% under the National Pension System. Federal Bank launches FEDI, Artificial Intelligence Powered Virtual Assistant for Customers. Note it down, Federal Bank MD and CEO is Shyam Srinivasan. Its headquarters is in Alua, Kerala. It was founded by KP Hormes and founded on 23 April 1931. Razorpay has acquired artificial intelligence based risk analysis platform TERA FinLabs. Razorpay founded in 2013. Razorpay's CEO is Harshil Mathur. Its headquarters is in Bengaluru. Former India and Mohan Bagan short-stopper Shivaji Banerjee to be conferred with Mohan Bagan Ratna posthumously. BJP leader Sudhanshu Mittal's book on the Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh RSS has now been translated into the Chinese language. ICC welcomes Mongolia, Tajikistan and Switzerland as new members. ICC headquarters is in Dubai, UAE. It was founded on 15 June 1909. Its deputy chairman is Imran Khwaja and chairman is Greg Barclay. Vishwanathan Anand defeated Vladimir Kramnik to win the Sparkassen Trophy at Dortmund. International Chess Day celebrated on 20th of July. Science Exploration Day, also called Moon Day, is marked every year on 20th of July. Government to set up Indian Institute of Heritage at Noida. Russia has successfully test-fired its new S-500 air defense missile systems from a southern training range Kapustin Yar. Note it down, Russia President is Vladimir Putin. Its capital is Moscow and its currency is Russian ruble. China unveiled a maglev train capable of a top speed of 600 km per hour. Its capital is Beijing. Its currency is renminbi and president is Xi Jinping. Assam CM Himant Biswa assures government jobs for National Games medalists. Noted down, Assam Governor is Jagdish Mukhi. Its CM is Himant Biswa Sarma. The National Mission for Clean Ganga in its 36th Executive Committee has approved new projects for the rejuvenation of 6 rivers in Uttarakhand. Noted down, Governor of Uttarakhand is Baby Rani Maurya. Chief Minister of Uttarakhand is Pushkar Singh Dhami. Perum Kolam in Kolam district has been bestowed with the title Kerala's first book village. Noted down, Kerala CM is P. Vijayan and its governor is Arif Muhammad. Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi appointed deputy leader of House in Rajya Sabha. Asian Development Bank projected India's economic growth forecast at 10% in financial year 2022. Banking and financial services major Goldman Sachs has opened a new facility in Hyderabad as part of its commitment to expand its global center for engineering and business innovation in India. Noted down, Goldman Sachs CEO is David M. Solomon. Its headquarters is in New York, USA, and it was founded in 1869. LIC launches Arogya Rakshak insurance plan. Noted down, its headquarters is in Mumbai. It was founded in 1st September 1956 and its chairman is M.R. Kumar. Ordnance Factory Tiruchirappalli hands over 15 12.7 mm M2 NATO stabilized remote control gun to Indian Navy and 10 to Indian Coast Guard. IIT Ropar develops first of its kind oxygen rationing device AMLEX. Jeff Bezos launches to space aboard New Shepard rocket. Government of India extends Stand Up India scheme up to 2025. Indian Oil Corporation to set up first hydrogen plant in Uttar Pradesh. Noted down, IOC chairperson is Shrikant Madhav Vaidya. Its headquarters is in Mumbai and it was founded on 30th June 1959. Rural teacher turned political novice Pedro Castillo became the winner of Peru's presidential election after the country's longest electoral count in 40 years. Noted down, Peru capital is Lima and its currency is Sol. Ariel Henry to take over as new Haitian Prime Minister. Noted down, its capital is Port-au-Prince. Its currency is Haitian Gourde. Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao to launch Telangana Dalit Bandhu from Huzarabad. Ministry of Road Transport and Highway Secretary Armani Giridhar gets additional charge as National Highway Authority Chairman. Noted down, National Highway Authority of India founded on 1988. National Highway Authority of India founded in 1988. Its headquarters is in New Delhi. Kotak Mahindra Bank signs Memorandum of Understanding with the Indian Navy for salary account. Noted down, Chief of Naval Staff is Karambir Singh. Indian Navy founded in 26 January 1950. Kotak Mahindra Bank established in 2003. Its headquarters is in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and its MD and CEO is Uday Kotak. The Defense Research and Development Organization successfully flight tested indigenously developed third generation man-portable anti-tank guided missile for its minimum range. Chairperson of DRDO is Dr. G. Satish Reddy. Its headquarters is in New Delhi and it was established in 1958. DRDO successfully test flight surface to air missile Akash NG. SBI selects Paisalo Digital as its national corporate business correspondent. Noted down, SBI chairperson is Dinesh Kumar Khara. Its headquarters is in Mumbai. It was founded in 1st July 1955. ICICI Bank Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited launched co-branded credit card. Vice President Venkaiah Naidu addresses the World Universities Summit 2021. The Jawaharlal Nehru Centre for Advanced Scientific Research, Bengaluru, has been placed in the top 50 institutions worldwide for advances in material science by the prestigious Nature Index. Kachar Deputy Commissioner Kirti Jalli received the National Silver Scotch Award. Australia's Brisbane to host 2032 Olympic and Paralympic Games. Renowned theatre personality and literature Urmil Kumar Thapiyal has been passed away. That's all for today. For more updates, follow me on Instagram and YouTube.